Digitization is reshaping the financial world, but there is one area that is still dependent on paper: the $18 trillion world of global trade. But this is changing.
Contour was formed to build a better and brighter future for businesses and communities by making global trade more accessible, digital, and secure. We started as a collaboration between 8 of the top trade finance banks in the world, working on a project to improve the letter of credit process, which is a core component of international trade. We have leveraged blockchain technology, along with literally hundreds of years of trade finance experience from our bank investors, to build a network for banks, corporates, and partners that manages data in a much more secure and seamless fashion that makes transactions up to 90% quicker. Our initial product, Letter of Credit, is the ideal first offering to seed our network, which started out with 8 banks, has grown to over 20 banks, and are growing at a rate of 1 new bank a week. Your first letter of credit on Contour will be better than the last letter of credit you did. I welcome you to join the beta network and enjoy the benefits of this new ecosystem.
Innovation.
Digital ecosystem.
Transformational.
Unique.
Contour is a revelation. Use it and enjoy it.
At Contour, we believe in the digitization of trade and the benefits that can have for the world. But digitization of trade is a very large goal, and it's unlikely that any one company by themselves can achieve it. This is why collaboration and interoperability are key values for Contour. We were born through collaboration of some of the leading trade finance banks who got together to realize that only by working together on common networks and on common standards can they add scale to digital platforms. And it's not about just banks. Contour is a platform for banks and for corporates, so together they can work on these common processes related to trade finance. We also go beyond trade finance by interoperating with the physical supply chain and electronic bill of lading platforms, for example, like Bolero and SDocs, so that customers can have a more end-to-end digital experience, and that can lead to better experiences for more and more corporates as we scale. So here we see the buyer and the seller agree on draft letter of credit terms before it goes to the issuing bank. The issuing bank issues the letter of credit on Contour. Any amendments can happen on Contour because everyone is connected on one platform. An amendment can be done in an afternoon instead of a week. And of course, the presentation can happen on Contour with digital uploads or digital documents from a number of third-party providers being uploaded through Contour and forwarded to banks rather than using couriers. Every other process along the way can also be supported. And if any other communication needs to happen, banks and corporates can use our peer-to-peer messaging system to send auditable messages that will always be tied to a specific transaction.
Collaboration across the industry is now transforming trade and ensuring a digital future, allowing all parties to streamline administration, reduce costly errors, and increase the accessibility of trade finance. At Contour, we're experts in digitizing the entire trade journey, connecting you to everyone on one network